What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Brandon Experience. Hey, we're in the middle of recording. All right, that could just be my intro, right? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Brandon Experience. So I noticed a lot of you all have been asking me what is going on. You know me as the colorist, the hair education person, the YouTube person. And now all of a sudden you see all this information about hair loss. So what is going on with that? Well, I am now a certified hair loss specialist, meaning that I have taken the appropriate education to get me qualified to accept insurance and help various individuals that have hair loss issues. People that have cancer, alopecia, burn victims, and various other people with hair loss need help, and that's where I come in. So what prompted me to make this transition? I felt like I had gotten to a point where I kind of plateaued, or I kind of have done all the things that I wanted to do behind the chair. I still wanted to help people, and I didn't want to leave from doing hair completely, so I decided that it's time to help people in a different way. I can remember being in hair school at Paul Mitchell, and the first time I turned a client around in a chair and saw their expression in the mirror, it literally did something to me. I felt something inside of me that made me know this is exactly what I want to do for the rest of my life. Being a certified hair loss specialist, I'm able to help individuals that thought they would never be able to have that feeling again, to have that same feeling, to not only look good, but also feel good about themselves as well. So I thank you all so much for all of your submissions. You all submitted some excellent questions on Instagram. I asked you for the questions, and now it's my time to give you all the answers to your questions. All right, so our first question is, who are you and what do you do? So we'll take that in two parts. I am Brandon, the owner of the Brandon Experience. I am a certified hair loss specialist. Certified hair loss specialists actually work with dermatologists, oncologists, and other medical professionals to do non-surgical hair replacement, meaning that we provide units for all different types of individuals. Units like the one behind me are just an example of the many types of units that we make available for individuals that would come to see us. Some people need total coverage, or some might just need partial coverage. But whatever the concern is, we have a solution for you. What is the best way to prevent hair loss as you get older? Well, that question is kind of loaded. Some of what we fight against when it comes to hair loss is genetics, and there's not a lot that we can do if our genes are disposed to hair loss. However, there are things that we can do to maintain what we do have. For instance, using good shampoos and conditioners and things that don't clog your follicle, that's going to be an excellent way to prevent hair loss as far as it depends upon you. However, if we're fighting against genetics, then that's kind of something that you really don't have a lot of control over. Can you recover from traction alopecia? If the follicle has been destroyed, no. There's no natural way to recover from follicle destruction. However, if the follicle has just been disrupted, maybe the hair has just been snatched out and the follicle is still in place, yes, then you can make a recovery. There are advanced surgical procedures that a medical professional can help you out with, and that's definitely something that you would want to talk to a dermatologist about. Hashtag, I don't even know if I should tell this story. Hashtag be bald-headed. That's a long story. That's an excellent submission. What is the best thing that you can do to regrow your edges? So that kind of goes back to our other question. If the follicle has been destroyed, there's really nothing that you can do as far as regrowing them. But if that follicle is still there, or perhaps it's just inactive and needs a little bit of a jump start, good products that minimize the DHT hormone or just really give a good deep cleansing to the follicle would be great for that purpose. So if you find that you're having thin edges, there's not necessarily a miracle oil or gel on it, but that's definitely something that you want to talk to your dermatologist about. There are medications, there are injections, and there's a lot of things that they can encourage you to do that would help regrowing areas that have an inactive follicle. Can I just pull some of my hair forward and just slick it down? Absolutely. There are multiple ways to disguise hair challenges. So that is exactly what we do here at the Brandon Experience. We get you units. There's so many kinds. There's full coverage units. There's integrated units, which mean that we will leave a portion of your hair out as well. And maybe there's a way that we could, direct that hair in a way that will help to disguise that. These questions are great. So what type of products do you recommend for extensions or for medical units or wigs? Every product that we offer here at the Brandon Experience is extension safe. We have sulfate-free products, and we also have products that are designed to give your hair the nourishment that it needs. When you're working with extensions or units, you have to keep in mind that they're not actually connected to your scalp. So the natural oils that normally would be dispersed throughout your unit typically don't end up spreading throughout. So it's very important that you choose the appropriate products for that. For instance, our Olaplex system is a sulfate-free line that is extension safe, as well as the Color Wild line. So depending on the type of unit that you have, we'll ensure that you have the best products for your unit. What types of styles do you offer? So we offer a variety of styles. Some of our guests like to take those units off every night, and I completely understand that. Or individuals might want to work out or swim in their unit, so we also have adhesion units for that purpose as well. So no matter what you are looking for, we definitely have that covered. What do I do at my hair restoration clinics? The clinic is literally set up to give you all the best high quality hair replacement non-surgically. So that means we have units of all different types of adhesives or ways to adhere the unit for those that may be active, those that work out, those that may swim, or perhaps you're a person that wants to take your unit off every day. We have a solution for everyone that is looking for an alternative to the situation that they have currently. It is also our job here at the Brandon Experience Hair Restoration Clinic to work with your insurance company. There are tests that can be ordered from your physician. There's specific diagnosis codes that we can use, and we'll work with your insurance companies if you qualify to get your unit covered. Can I just wear a hat? Yes, you can just wear a hat. And what looks even better is if you get one of our units and put the hat on top of it. So what does this process look like, and how does this entire process go? How do you become a client of the Brandon Experience? So the best way would be to go to our website, thebrandonexperience.com. There is a section for new clients. If you click on that, it literally is going to pop up an email field that lets you send over your information so that we can set up a consultation. There's also our contact information in our bio, so you can feel free to give us a call at any time during our business hours. We'll be more than happy to help you out, or you can leave us a message and we'll get back to you within 24 to 48 business hours. So upon completion of your intake form, which we would send to you after we discern what your needs are and what you are looking to achieve, we will set up a consultation for you in person. So you would come into our clinic, we would sit down, discuss what your challenges are and what you are looking to accomplish. During that initial consultation, we're also going to call your insurance company to see if you qualify for coverage. Following the insurance verification, we would see if you are qualified, and then we would begin the process of fitting you for your unit. And upon your unit's arrival, we give you a call, set up an appointment for you to come in so that we can get you into your unit. We make sure that the unit fits extremely well for you. We teach you how to style, maintain, and care for your unit as well. It's a really simple process. We make it as easy as possible. We know that it's super emotional dealing with a situation like that, so our job is to make this process easy for you and to show you all that we care. We want to help you not only look good, but feel even better. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that I was able to answer all of your questions. But if I missed any of the questions, please let me know down below in the comments what your questions are. If it's something hair related, or maybe it's another type of tutorial that you would like to see on my channel, let me know below. That's how I get feedback from you all so that I can keep giving you all the content that you all enjoy. Until next time, I'll see you all here, same place, same time, same channel.